Hello, hi, namaste. I welcome you all to my channel. Myself Raju Hegde. Today we are going to learn about Python language to learn data science. It's well documented fact that knowing Python for data science is a must. Python has a wide range of libraries that allow us to perform core data analysis activities easily. In this particular video, the following points will be covered: introduction to Python, installation of Python and Jupyter Notebook, and the Python basics. First, we shall understand the brief introduction of Python. Python was released in the year 1991 by Python Software Foundation, created by Guido van Rossum. It is named after the British comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus from 1970s. Van Rossum is titled as a benevolent dictator for life by Python community. After leading the Python for almost 30 years, Van Rossum stepped down from his responsibilities in July 2018. So we should really thank him for his contribution to Python, Mr. Van Rossum. So in our video, the first section is why Python? Why learn Python for data analysis? Python has gathered a lot of interest recently as a choice of language for data analysis. Why? Because Python is open source, free to install. Awesome online community, very easy to learn. There are tons of packages easily available. It can become a common language for data science and production of web-based analytics products. There are some of the drawbacks also. It is an interpreted language rather than compiled language, hence might take up more CPU time. However, given savings in programmer time due to easy of learning, so it's a good choice to use Python. So when it comes to Python or R is also one of the programming language. Python and R both are very popular among data scientists. Proficiency in concept is more important than language choice. R is still better if you are only doing statistical work. If you need to write broad programs, Python is clear winner. Okay. So then next question comes, how to install Python to your PC or computer. There are many ways, but what I suggest is use through Anaconda. Let's install Anaconda. If you type Anaconda in the Google, it will take you to this page. Depending upon your operating system, you can choose. So if you are Windows or Mac or Linux, then download the latest version, then install the Anaconda, then update Anaconda. Then once the page appears, there are different IDEs available: PyCharm, Jupyter, Spider. So we will use Jupyter Notebook. Communication of IDE is easiest with the Jupyter Notebook. Okay. So the Jupyter Notebook will appear like this. If you say launch, then the page will appear like this. So you can rename as you want. I mentioned first program. Here you can write whichever name you would like to. Then input, we are putting in, and the output will appear as out. So to execute program, you need to enter shift plus enter. Every time if you want to execute the program, you just mention shift plus enter. Lists are one of the most versatile data structure in Python. A list can simply be defined by writing a list of comma separated values in square brackets. Lists might contain items of different types, but usually the items all have same type. Python lists are mutable, and individual elements of a list can be changed. Here I'll give explanation about what is mutable and what is immutable. A mutable object can be changed after it is created, and an immutable object can't. Object of built-in types like integer, float, boolean, string, tuple, Unicode are immutable. Objects of built-in types like list, set, or dictionary are mutable. So here we have declared squares list, and squares list we have declared, and then we have called output. Then squares list 0, that means it will appear 0, the first one we have asked, and then squares list 0 2 to 4, 0 1 2, 2 to 4, 2 3 4, that means 4 and 9. 4 and 9 will appear. The last one will, whatever we call the 4 means 2 to 4 means 2 and 3 will appear, 4 will not come. And squares list minus 2, means the last in the that means from the downside minus 2, that means previous 2, what we say like last one is minus 1 and the next one is minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, something like that. So next one is the strings. Strings can simply be defined by using single, double, or triple inverted commas. We can see here in the example, greetings is equal to hello. So here in the some of the operations, what we can do is return character on the index 1. So greeting 1, that means it should appear E. It appeared E. And length of the greetings, how many letters are there? 5 letters are there. 5 appeared. And you want to add something to that concatenation, like string concatenation to this greeting plus word, hello world will appear. So strings are immutable. So if you want to change hello to hi, it's not possible. This we have done here, but it's showing error. Tuples. Tuples are represented by a number of values separated by commas. Tuples are immutable and the output is surrounded by parentheses, so that nested tuples are processed correctly. So if I call tuple example 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, tuple example 0, 1, it will appear like that. Then if I call tuple second position, then 0, 1, 2, 4 will appear. If I want to change second position to 6, it will throw error because it's immutable. But again the lists are mutable. So the next one is the dictionary. Dictionary is unordered set of key and value pairs with the requirement that the keys are unique with one dictionary. A pair of braces create an empty dictionary. Extension is equal to, here the example is extensions. In the company there are different extensions will be there. Kunal, Tavish, Sunil, Nathan. So different people, employees have different extensions that we have called here. And then if you want to add Mukesh to that, you can add. Mukesh will get added to that. So then if you want to call keys, then you can call keys. Okay. So next, and here dictionaries are mutable. You can make changes. Then also we have Python iterations and conditional constructs. So for statements, if statements, if else statement, this and all will appear. For example, here if n is divisible by 2, then print even, if not print odd, like that. This also very largely used in Python algorithm, Python programming. Yeah, some of the Python libraries what we use. Let's take one step ahead in our journey to learn Python by getting familiar with some of the useful libraries. Here I have listed couple of useful libraries, and also I have made exclusive video on Python libraries in detail. You can have a look into that in the YouTube. Let's see NumPy. NumPy stands for numerical Python. The most powerful feature of NumPy is n-dimensional array. SciPy stands for scientific Python. SciPy is built on NumPy. It is one of the most useful library for variety of high-level science and engineering modules. Matplotlib for plotting vast variety of graphs starting from histogram to line plot to heat plot. Pandas for structured data operations and manipulations. It is extensively used for data munging and preparation. Pandas were very recently added, and it's very instrumental in boosting Python's usage in data sciences community. Scikit-learn for machine learning, built on NumPy, SciPy and Matplotlib. This library contains a lot of efficient tools for machine learning and statistical modeling, including classification, regression, clustering and dimensionality reduction. Stats model. Stats model for statistical modeling. Stats model is a Python module that allows user to explore data, estimate statistical models and perform statistical tests. Seaborn. Seaborn for statistical data visualization. Seaborn is a library for making attractive and informative statistical graphs in Python. It's based on Matplotlib. Seaborn aims to make visualization a central part of exploring and understanding the data. And we also have a couple of more libraries like OS, Blaze and all. But these libraries are used very extensively in programming. Now that we are familiar with Python fundamentals and additional libraries, let's take a deep dive into problem solving through Python in my next video. Thanks for your attention. Thank you.